Let's take a look at this problem. We got 1/3 minus 1/2 plus 1/5. Now our first step is to get a common denominator. And so we need to find an LCM. Now these are all primes, so it's not too bad, but let me go ahead and go through the steps anyway, just to show you it works for every one of them. We want to find the LCM of 3, 2, and 5. So first thing we're going to do is write the prime factorization of each denominator, of each number. Well, 3 is prime, so that's just 3. 2 is prime, so that's just 2. 5 is prime, so that's just 5. Now our LCM. We start with our first prime, which is 2. And we're looking for the greatest number of 2's on a single line. None here, 1 here, none here. So the greatest number of 2's on a single line is 1. Then we'll go to our next prime, which is 3. And I'm looking for the greatest number of 3's on a single line. There's 1 here, none here, none here, so it would be 3. And then we go to our last prime, which is 5. And I'm looking for the greatest number of 5's on a single line. None here, 1 here. So the greatest number of 5's on a single line is 1. 2 times 3 is 6, times 5 is 30. Now we're going to rewrite each fraction with that new denominator. Now you look at your old denominator, like in our first fraction we got 3, and you ask what did you multiply it by to get your new one? Well, 3 times 10 gives you 30, so since we multiplied the bottom part by 10, we multiply the top part by 10. Now our second fraction here, we multiplied the bottom part by 15 to get our new denominator, so we're going to multiply the top part by 15. And our last fraction here, we multiplied the bottom part by 6, so we're going to multiply the top part by 6. So we're going to get 10 over 30 minus 15 over 30 plus 6 over 30. Okay, now that we got common denominator, we're going to add or subtract the top parts. Well, 10 minus 15 gives us negative 5 over 30. And I'll go ahead and bring this down. And now negative 5 plus 6 gives us a positive 1 over 30. Now I don't need to do step 3. Step 3 will be to simplify this fraction, and it's already simplified as much as we can.